You're wondering why you're not successful, and you want to succeed, you want to get all that information to build a strong, successful business, and you don't know where to start. Yeah, today I'm back again and here to tell you all about it. Welcome back. You're watching Aciero Amsterdam. Today I'm back again with 5 tips to help you build a successful business. And today here's tip number 1. Tip number 1 is patience. Most of you are not patient. You really want things very fast and you think that you deserve them. You don't deserve anything. If you figure that out from the beginning, that you're just a newbie who is trying out something and you're not entitled to anything, the better for you it will be. So patience, patience, patience. 2, wanting things that you haven't worked for. Easy money, easy things. So you jump into something, you think that there is money selling that product or there's money selling that service, but you don't have a very good idea or background or experience in something, you will not succeed if you use those tactics with quick money schemes and that kind of thing, saying, yeah, let me jump into this, let me sell this. First of all, if you want to succeed, you have to educate yourself and stop rushing into things you have no idea about, because that's why you will not be successful. You'll end up spending a lot of money investing in a product or a service, and in the long run you will lose that money because you don't know the challenges of the market and business. Tip number 3, how to build a successful business. Yeah, how to build a successful business is not so difficult, but you also have to understand the industries and focus on one thing. Focus is key. Whether it's niching down on one product, whether it's niching down on one service, whatever you're doing, try to focus and try to niche down, because later on when you're trying to grow your business or trying to scale it, you have to start from somewhere, and if you don't have a niche, you have to first start from where people know you, how do they know you, and from there you can expand to other things. So 5th reason how to build a successful business is stop listening to unsolicited advice and stop asking for people with no experience in business or experience in owning their own businesses, because those are killers. They will kill your spirit, they'll kill your hopes, they'll kill your dreams, because the more you keep on listening to them, the more you keep on listening to that negative energy, the more you're going to get demotivated, the more you're going to lose patience, the more you're going to lose hope, the more you're going to lose all the motivation, the more you're going to see yourself that whatever you're trying to do is unachievable. Although it's achievable, you will get like negative advice. So, and the other people also you should look out for are people who just tell you stuff just to make you happy with also no experience. So stop listening to people with no experience. That's the most important tip. If you want business advice, get a coach who is experienced in business and stop listening to unsolicited advice, because or solicited advice, people who are unexperienced and have no clue about business or whatever you're doing, it's just going to kill your soul or spirit. So I hope those tips and tricks are helpful, and I hope you can build a successful business for you and your family or whoever. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. If you're a channel subscriber, thanks for the support. Love you lots. Watching more videos on this channel on how to grow your business and get more leads for your business in the next video, and over here it will be linked. And see you in the next video, and bye.